Yo, this method actually works.
Yeah, I came in with a saw. Ooh, yeah, I came in with a saw.
What's poppin', guys? Phantom Days here. Welcome back to another video. Now, today, I'm going to be showing you how you can get free money in under 5 minutes. If you couldn't tell from the title above, I even got my own iPhone 6s using this method. It's backwards. Whatever you see it, I actually got my own case and everything. This actually works, guys. This is not fake like all the other videos out there on YouTube. Just follow these simple steps and you'll be able to get money in just 5 minutes. But before I start this video, I just want to say, once I show you this crazy hack, I want you guys to share this to all of your friends. All you have to do to share is make this video a little bit smaller, and then you want to click on share. And then you just go to your text messages or Twitter or Google or whatever. Then just send it to all of your friends so that they know how to make free money in under 5 minutes as well. Thank you guys if you did that. Anyways, let's get right into this tutorial. Alright guys, so the link is down below. If you guys just want to type it in yourself, the link is tapunlock.com/Phantom Days, all lowercase letters. Just search that up. And now it will come up with the screen saying please enter your name. I mean, it doesn't have to be your real name, so I'm just gonna enter Phantom Days because why not? I mean, that technically is my name for YouTube. And as you guys can see here, you can also comment and look at all these comments saying that this actually worked. So yeah, next what you guys want to do is you have to enter how you want to receive the money. So if you want it in cash, if you want it shipped or mailed to your house, or if you want it to be added to your bank account. So I'm just gonna say I want it to be mailed to my house because, you know, that would be nice. So once you do that, just want to click enter, then just click add money and just keep tapping the screen until it finally pops up with the screen that you're seeing right now. So now it says you'll be taken to a page that will verify that you're a human. And then once we verify that we're human, then they will ship the money to us. So now, what you guys want to do is you want to click on one of these apps. So I'm going to be doing the Solitaire app, and you just want to click on it, and you just want to say okay. It will bring you to the App Store, or you just want to click open the App Store. It will bring you to the App Store. Next, you want to download the app, and I'll just wait for it because it'll only take like a few seconds. And if you guys are wondering why they're sending you money, pretty much once you download their app, they get money because you're downloading their app. So pretty much they're just like rewarding you back for downloading their app. So that's why they're sending money to you. And now let's just click open. All you have to do is play the game for 30 seconds and then you will get the email saying that you will get your money shipped to you in a matter of no time. Anyways guys, thank you all so much for watching. Hopefully you guys like this video. I will definitely be doing more of these videos soon because I am finally back and going to be making more tutorials. So yeah guys, don't forget to subscribe, share this video to all of your friends so that they know how to make money in under 5 minutes as well. And I'll see you all next time. Anyways, have a fantastic day. This was Phantom Days. Goodbye.